Hi guys, Jack here from Crewe Volkswagen. Just want to do a quick video of this Golf GTE we've got in stock, finished in pure white. As you can see from the front, you've got the LED daytime running lights, the LED headlights as well. Just move along to the side, we've got the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Just going around to the back, LED tail lights, your twin chrome exhaust tailpipes. So plenty of room in the boot as you'd expect from a Golf. This particular model is fitted with a panoramic sunroof, you can see here. You've got your jaws and climate control, active cruise control on the steering wheel, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and also your heated mirrors and folding function as well when you lock the vehicle. If this Golf is something you'd be interested in, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01270 50 70 50. Thanks for watching.